Chris with T&K Off-Road and Overland, and today we're going to install these SUNPIE LED turn signals. Now when you get these in the box from SUNPIE or Amazon like I got these smoked ones. They come fully assembled. They just twist to unlock just like the original ones. There is a connector on the inside that you can remove. I don't see why you'd need to. They are marked left and right. They come with a resistor ready to be installed in line. Now I'm running the Firebug rear LED taillights that come with a resistor installed. So far I've found that I do not need to run the additional resistors to keep my lights from hyper flashing. That being said, without the resistors, they are plug and play. What you're going to do with the old ones is you're going to push these little tabs in here while pushing on the back side of the grill once you have the grill removed. If you don't know how to remove the grill, see our video on painting the grill with truck bed coating here. To install these, we're going to just take the one that says left on the left side here. We're going to line up the tabs and just snap it in. Simple as that. Same thing on the right side. Line up the tabs. That's it. Now we'll reinstall the grill and I'll show you what they look like when they're flashing. As you can see there, that is what the SUNPIE LED turn signal looks like. You got, what's that? 6, 7, 8 LEDs. They're pretty good. That's just sitting there blinking. The ignition's on. It's not hyper flashing. I just have the resistors in line in the rear taillights that came with the rear Firebug taillights. As you can see, super simple to install, especially with no fender liners, and it looks great.